Select the object and go to edit mode. Now I will create, for example, object, you piece of it. You can move the object into y-axis. When you select the object, you'll be automatically select the entities. Like I will select this vertex. So if you want to select all entities, you can select like this with the box selection, and you can orbit, press shift button to select all entities in one object. Another option, you can select the entities like in your vertex, because we use the vertex selection, and then you can press Ctrl plus L. It will be select all entities in one object. If you want to select all objects, you can press A button on keyboard, select the all objects. If you want to select only these objects, you can select entities and then press Ctrl plus L to select all entities in one object. Another option, you also can use loop selection. Like in it, I will go into sphere object. We use the vertex selection, and I will select at this edge. It's very hard for you to select all edge in it, but we can use the loop selection. You can press Alt and then select at this edge to create loop selection on vertex. If you want to create in vertical, you can select this edge. Don't forget to press Alt, hold, and then click on edge. To set the multiple, you can press Shift, Alt, and then you can click at the edge object. I will create again. Like in it, you can press Shift, Alt, and then select at this edge. So it will be create the multiple loop selection. You also can set like into edge. I will click at this edge, press Alt, select for the horizontal, and then press Shift buttons to multiple with this vertical. Another option you also can use in the face selection. Like if you move the cursor mouse into the top here, you can press Alt, click, it will be create the vertical selection. If you move into the right here or to the left, click to be set into horizontal selection. You also can combine with Shift plus Alt and then select like in the top here. And like you can create scale to scale the selection.